Hello, welcome back to Poongodi's channel. We have already learned so many knots in hand embroidering such as French knot, colonial knot, German knot, Danish knot and many more. Today let us see plucked knot. This is a very easy knot which can be used in your embroidering pattern for all types of dots, and I am going to stitch plucked knots for all these dots or the stamens of the flower. Take all the 6 strands of the thread and start at the dot, insert the needle and pull over. Pick a little fabric near the stitch like this. Hold the needle with your left index finger and twist the thread twice in the needle. 1, 2. Hold the thread with your left hand and pull the needle. Tighten the knot without any loop. And then insert the needle once again at the same point and pull over at the back side of the fabric. Now you have finished the plucked knot. See, once again insert the needle at a point. Pick a little fabric near the point. Either hold with your left thumb or without holding you can twist the thread twice in the needle like this. Hold the thread with your left hand and pull over without any loops in the knot. Tighten it without loops. And now insert the needle at the same point and finish the stitch. See here, once again insert the needle at the point, pick little fabric nearby, twist the thread twice in the needle, hold the thread with your left hand and pull the needle without any loops. Tighten the knot and once again insert the needle at the same point and finish the knot. This is plucked knot, and I hope you are clear about the stitch now. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. If you like this video, share with your friends and click the like button. Also subscribe for my channel and click the bell icon for notifications of my future videos. I have uploaded so many hand embroidering basic stitches and I have given all the links in the description. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links in the description. And this is plucked knot. This is the back view of the stitch. Thank you for watching.